Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to send the follow request via my TikTok application, and the message is you are following too fast. So what is the meaning of this message? So here I sent the multiple follow requests at a time, which means that at a time I sent the more than 150 follow requests to TikTok users. So due to this reason, this TikTok team blocked my profile. So anyway, how to fix this issue? And the only way is you can send the unblock request to TikTok team. So how to do that processes? So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and then click to log in your account details. And this method also works on iOS platforms because all the apps have the same setting locations. So now in this homepage section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at bottom of fifth one and it shows my TikTok profile. But in this section, you can press this vertical 3 dot icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner and it shows all the settings category. But you can scroll down and then select report a problem. And these are the some frequently asked questions. But you can press this notepad icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. But before going to write your problem, first of all take a screenshot of that error message and then type your problem within this section and also upload that screenshot image file from your mobile gallery. So once you done this process, finally click to send this request to TikTok team and then it shows preview, so you can click to done. So finally my request is successfully delivered to TikTok team. So you can wait for a few hours because they verify your problem. And also try this method by simply clear that TikTok app data, because my suggestion is maybe this clear data process works. So this is the way you can easily fix your TikTok error notifications by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.